Welcome to today's episode of Tech Talk, where we deep dive into the world of software development and innovation. I'm your host, and I'm really excited to talk about some of the latest advancements that are reshaping how we work with code. So let's get started with our first topic, AI and code writing. Imagine a scenario where writing code is as easy as chatting with a friend. Well, GitHub Copilot is making that a reality. This AI tool helps developers by suggesting lines of code or even entire functions as they work. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's think about that for a minute. How many of us have stared at a blank screen thinking about how to start a project? My guess is a lot. With tools like Copilot, that blank screen might soon be a thing of the past. It's like having a coding buddy who's there to brainstorm ideas with you. If you find yourself stuck, you just ask for help, and boom, there's a suggestion right there. But with great power comes great responsibility. We have to think about security too. GitHub highlights its commitment to helping developers find and fix vulnerabilities. Think of it as a digital security blanket. Every piece of software we interact with has potential weak spots, and it's crucial that we address these. GitHub's suite of tools is like having a squad of security experts at your fingertips, helping you keep your project safeguarded while you focus on what you do best. Now, let's transition to automation. The idea of automating workflows is something many of us dream about. Imagine unleashing your creativity while a smart system takes care of repetitive tasks. GitHub Actions does just that. It allows developers to automate their workflows. Want to automatically run tests every time you push code? Or send alerts when something goes wrong? Actions can handle that for you, leaving you more time to innovate. So what if you're new to GitHub or just want to expand your skills? GitHub provides amazing resources like learning pathways, webinars, and even ebooks. It's like a treasure chest of knowledge waiting for you to open it. It's much easier to navigate the sea of knowledge available when you have a clear pathway. What I find fascinating is GitHub's commitment to open source projects. They offer GitHub sponsors, which helps fund developers working on open source projects. Just imagine the impact of supporting someone who could be solving problems for communities worldwide just because you believed in their vision. Before we wrap up, let's talk about something that often gets overshadowed in tech discussions: community. GitHub's README project is a great example of this. It's all about sharing articles and experiences that bring developers together, fostering an environment of collaboration. This community-driven approach really stands out, doesn't it? It reminds us that at the end of the day, we're all in this together. As we close today's episode, I encourage you to think about how you can leverage these tools and resources to elevate your own projects. What might your coding journey look like if you embrace these advancements? Share your experiences with us on social media or leave us a review. We would love to hear how technology is enhancing your workflow. Thanks for tuning in to Tech Talk. Until next time, keep coding, keep creating, and who knows what you might build next.